My name's Duane Slaymaker, and I'm the happy owner of a LumberMate 2000. I bought it when they first came out, I guess it's 11 years ago. And for my needs, as a custom cabinet maker and furniture maker, it's perfect. The price was right where I needed it to be, and it produces exactly what I need. I cut right from the log exactly what I'm going to use in my shop. I know what I'm going to be using for my face frames and my doors and the pieces that I make on a normal basis. So I can cut it right here at the mill, and obviously it's less expensive to produce your own lumber and dry it. And for me, it's a lot of fun. It's a pleasurable, therapeutic experience sometimes to come out when it's a nice day, get out of the shop a little bit, and cut up a couple of logs. So Norwood's been great with their help and their customer service. It's a good fit for me with what I do. I don't do it full time, but it's rugged enough. It holds up. It's cut tens of thousands of board feet of lumber in the last 11 years with nothing major to say ever went wrong with it. So, and the accessories are great to add on if you need them. To speed up your work, I got the tow board packages a couple years ago, and they're very helpful. The 20 horsepower motor is nice to have. It definitely steps things up. I had a 13 horsepower motor to begin with. 20 horsepower is definitely a step up. I just can't say enough about the fact that it's a good fit for me as a part-time sawyer and cabinet maker and furniture maker. Cut garage grain panels like I'm doing right here. Sometimes you just can't buy that stuff, so it's nice to be able to cut it on my own and take advantage of local trees that have fallen down or somebody's cutting down to get rid of, and I'm able to take them and make lumber to use to make furniture. And sometimes somebody will request something made from the tree that came from their property, which is kind of a nice connection to a piece of furniture that came from their property. So thank you very much, Peter Dale.
If we could live in harmony, our lives could mean a little more. Is it so hard just to